Is your PlayStation 5 controller acting up, drifting, or just refusing to connect when you need it the most? Let's walk through how to reset your DualSense controller. This simple reset can often solve connectivity problems and restore your controller to its default settings. First, locate your DualSense controller and turn it over. We are going to locate the small reset button. On the back of your controller, near the L to shoulder button, you'll find a tiny pinhole. This is the reset button. You'll need a small, slender tool to use this, like a paperclip or SIM card ejector tool. Next, grab a paperclip or a similar object. Carefully insert the tip into the pinhole. You'll feel it give slightly. Press and hold the button down. Holding this button for about 5 seconds should be enough to reset your controller. After the reset, connect your DualSense controller to your PlayStation 5 console using a USB cable. Press the PlayStation button on your controller to turn it on and pair it with your console. If you are unsure whether the pairing will work, then restarting your PS5 is an option. Lastly, if the controller still doesn't connect or if you're experiencing issues, you can navigate through your PS5 settings. Go to Accessories, then Controllers. From here, you can adjust various settings, including your controller's Bluetooth connection and button mapping. By working through these steps, your controller should be back in action.